Welcome to our channel Career Job Alert. Today we are going to discuss about the Lab Technician Grade 2 post. This vacancies has currently released by the Medical Health Science Recruitment Board of Government of Telangana. So total 1284 vacancies are there, and up to 5th October 2024 you can apply for this post. The good thing of this recruitment is that the date of examination is already declared. In written examination, there are 80 marks and 20 marks is given as per your experience. As per the educational qualification, you have to have one certificate in laboratory technician course or MLT vocational course, diploma in medical lab technician course, or MSc in medical biochemistry, MSc in chemical microbiology. Then you are eligible to apply. One second thing that is important for this recruitment is that you must be registered with Telangana Paramedical Board. So before application, you should register yourself in the Telangana Paramedical Board, and after that you can apply for these vacancies. Now we will discuss how to apply for this post. So first we are going to the Google Chrome and we have to write MHSRB and nothing else. Then we are going to the official website. Here you can see the click here to apply for post Lab Technician Grade 2. So in this link we will click. After that there is this form will appear and you have to fill your first name here first, then your last name. Now you have to fill your email ID and mobile number and this captcha and click here in this register box. Okay, after clicking that registration box, the phone number that you have provided, in that number you get an OTP. So you have to put this 6-digit OTP here and then click in the verify button. After this verification, this page will appear in front of you. So here, so in notification, there you can see that there are different 3 type of department that has been asked for vacancies. Okay, so first one, the Director of Public Health. So maximum number of vacancies is here. So we have to select the preference in which you want to apply. So first we select this as preference 1, as there is a maximum number of vacancies is there, and then second, and then we select this one, and then third one that we select as preference 3. Then save and continue. Now you can see your first name and last name, then your father name you have to put here, your mother name. Now you have to select your gender, so we will select as male. Then you have to put your Aadhaar number and then you have to upload your Aadhaar here. Okay, after uploading that Aadhaar card, you have to select the community. So we are selecting open category OC. Now if you are PWD candidate, then you have to select yes, otherwise no. So we are selecting no. Then if you are ex-serviceman, then you have to select yes, otherwise it should remain in no. Then if currently you are in a state government employee, then you have to select yes, otherwise no. So we have to select no. If you have worked as instructor in NCC, then you have to select yes, otherwise no. We have selecting no. If you are meritorious sports person, then you have to select yes, otherwise it will be remaining no. Then you have to put your date of birth here. Then you have to upload your SSC certificate here, and now you have to put your corresponding address in this box, and then finally you have to click in this save and continue button. So you are aware that this vacancy is divided in particular some of the zones, and all the vacancies are allotted to each of this zone differently, and the 95% of these vacancies are reserved for the local people. To prove this local status, you have to put here all the first class to 7th class study information. So for that you have to first select the year for your first class, then study in an educational institute. Then you have to select the district. We are selecting Hyderabad. Then Mandal also will be Hyderabad. Then you have to put your village name here and then your school name. Now in the second class you have to select your year, then study in an educational institute. Then again you have to select your location of districts, then Mandal, and then your village name, and then your school name. So we fill all the class 1 to class 7 details here. Then now you have to select the zones. So first, as we are selecting Hyderabad as our educational, so we are local in zone 6. So first we will select that 6 zone name, and then the remaining zones out of 5% we will be considered. So we will select one by one other zones also. And now you have to save and continue. Okay, we have to upload the certificate also. So one by one we have upload the certificate of your classes, class 1, then class 2, or you can also upload the residential certificate as per their notification format, and then we save and continue. Now you have to give your educational information. So there is variety of options that has available, that is all available for this post. So for example, we will select diploma in medical lab technician course. Then you have to put your university name here, then your college name, then date of completion of this degree. Then you have to upload your mark sheet and then your degree certificate here. All this in PDF format and up to 2 MB is allowed. Then save and continue. Now you have to put your professional information. So you know that you have to register in Telangana Paramedical Board. So you have to put your registration number here. So for example, we are putting anything here, but you have to put your registration number. Then you have to select the date of registration, and then you have to upload the registration certificate here, and then save and continue. So now there is 20 marks that has been allotted for experience. So if you have any experience in Telangana State Government Hospital Institutes programs on contract or outsourcing basis, so you have to select is yes. Then you have to put your detail about the experience, okay, and also the experience certificate that is needed to be uploaded here. So first we select the experience. So it is contract or outsourcing you have to select. So we are working on contract. So type of institute or health facility you have to select. So primary health center, suppose for example we are selecting. Then district you have to select Hyderabad. Now hospital or health facility that you are servicing, so we are selecting anything from here. Then from date 2024. Then experience certificate, the institute that issued your experience certificate, that you have to select here. So for example we are selecting this, and then you have to upload that experience certificate here, and then you have to put here add. Then your experience is added here. Then you have to put save and continue. So now in this case you have to upload your photo and signature here. So photo is less than 500 KB and the signature is also allowed up to 500 KB. So we are first selecting our photos here and then our signature, then save and continue. So now you have to select your examination center, okay. So we are selecting as Hyderabad for our examination center, and then you have to select your current employment status. So we are selecting unemployed. So now we have to click continue to pay online. So now you can see that 500 payment you can pay through QR, UPI, net banking. You have to select any of these, and then by make payment you can complete your application process. So now you can see how can you apply for lab technician post in medical and health service recruitment board. So now we conclude our video. For more similar type of videos, please subscribe our channel. Stay tuned.